So you would register as an individual rather than a clinic. So you register, you go to the NCOR website and you just leave your name and email address, and then you're essentially entered into our database, and then you'll receive the initial survey. So that very much needs to be done as an individual. So if everyone at that clinic wants to register, fantastic. But we'd only send one survey to one email address if they were to register. But yeah, that's simply an expression of interest, and then what that means is after you get the survey, if you complete the survey, you're essentially enrolled onto the PBRN, and then that means you're going to be involved in the communication about how research is going to take place, and you'll be invited to take part in studies. If you choose to take part in a study, then any training that's needed will be provided, and obviously any resources that are needed are going to be provided. Absolutely.
So in terms of Joe's clinic, where there are 6 or 7 people, if Joe is the only one who fills in the form, that doesn't mean that the others won't be part of the research when it goes live, as it were. If they've got a cloud system, for example.
Yeah, I mean, ideally we'd like all 6 of those osteopaths to register so we can gather data on them as well, because they're all going to practice slightly differently, have different areas of interest, and so that will just help inform our capacity as a PBRN if we know exactly what those 6 osteopaths are doing. But yeah, if Joe registers, then she'll receive the information, and hopefully all the osteopaths want to get involved, because that means we'd be gathering a lot more patient data, which would be great. But I'd encourage osteopaths to register individually if possible.